Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
Sir,
Huh.
uh, control plus N and new page is coming. Uh, this way to help. How can this come?
Sorry, can you repeat again? Your line is breaking. I mean, your voice is breaking.
Video provides a powerful way to help this paragraph.
Huh.
Uh, when you put or copy this, how can it come?
That's what I'm telling is a magic. Equal R-A-N-D,
I
rand.
understand. I
Huh.
understand this thing, but
Huh. But can you type? Can you type? Can you type and send to me? Okay. So next step, how to do what? Underline everything normal. Next, we have another front shot, front type. Front size is very important. Front coloring, alignment. This is very, very important things you have to follow. So first, I told you, you have to select Control A. Then you have to be do what? You have to be do Times Roman. Okay, Times Roman. Okay, Times Roman.
أهلين، كيف الحال؟ سلمك، الحمد لله. شو الأخبار؟
yes.
Okay, like this.
تمام باي، الحمد لله الحمد لله.
Is talking.
ماشي ماشي إن شاء الله. ماشي 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 إن شاء الله ماشي.
Sir,
Very
space.
sorry. No, no. Okay, okay. Can you unmute?
Yes.
Jolly. Yeah. Tell me, Jolly.
Sir, spacing, line spacing. What is
Yeah.
the perfect size?
That's what I'm telling you. You need guidelines. You need
Oh.
guidelines. That's why when you're writing anything for research proposal, these things, so you read. I'm repeating. Don't copy and paste. You have to be read first. The guidelines.
Okay.
That's why I'm telling you, if you come to Mass Campus, Dr. Srimoy, you have to tell, I need the guidelines for research proposal and dissertation. Can you email to me? Email to Abstan. You can, after you receive, you can forward to Abstan also.
Okay.
I am telling you, this is very important because nobody is giving you, Dr. Srimoy only can give you the updated version. I have also, I can give you, but I don't have, I'm very old version. I don't want to be confused. Updated, the listen word, updated. Okay.
Okay.
These things you have to remember. Not now, later, when you come, when you have finished the classes, everything. Okay. So if you changed that one, you check the size. Okay. This is random, Jolly. This is random paragraphs. It's not anything is there, just
Yes.
randomly selected. This one. Video provide powerful random sample. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And here they have a justification. Here the alignment. You have to select Control A.
Yes.
And then you have to
Alignment.
be aligned like this. If you center, it is center.
Okay.
It is this one, it is this one. Understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is about this side. Okay, so you have basically we have to be do the alignment. Okay, if you have any color something like that, you have to use this one. Okay, color, but usually we are not using, just like your example. Okay, underline, we have to use these things, underline something like. Okay, you're writing in color.
Sir, how can I write the Roman number?
Very good. Very good question. I appreciate for your question. Numbering I will give you later, but if you are asking me, so if you go for here, just you click 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Jolly?
Yes.
You select paragraph, you go here. You see here, numbering of
Okay.
library, numbering of
Yes.
library.
Yes.
Here you click
Yes.
1.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem. Yeah, I can teach you. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, these things are very important.
Yes.
Okay, now this is very important. Another steps. This one, normal is there. This is all normal, right?
Yes.
Control A. Okay, normal. Okay, so what you do? Update the normal match. You update this one. Understand?
Yes.
What I do? Just I click, right click. After that, update the normal. Okay, this one is appearing like this. Okay, Jolie. I
Okay.
control A. I go for next page. I go next page, huh? Next page.
Yes.
I don't want. I go for next page. I go for next page. There, Jolie. Okay. I go for next page. I control V. I control V. Sorry.
Paste.
I'm not copy. Sorry. Not copy. Control A and control C. Okay. Then second page.
Then go to another page and control V.
Yeah.
Paste. Yes.
Okay. So how many pages? This is one page. Okay, Abstain.
Yes.
See here.
Yes. Yeah.
Second, I paste like this only. I'm not change anything. Control V means
Yes.
paste same thing like that. No any border change. No any even color also see here. This one is
Yes.
also appearing like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now the magic I will show you. If this document you need bold. Okay. You go here, just make a bold. Okay. First page.
Sir, I can
Yeah.
not understand what you say.
If I go one page, I what I do, I select that paragraph and I will bold. Okay. And now second
Yeah, okay.
page, you see here is not bold, right? See here,
Yes.
second page is not bold.
Yes.
See here, not bold, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Now I select the first page. Okay. I select the first page and I go for normal and I do update. Okay, Jolie? Update.
Okay.
Now you go for
Yes.
second page. If you go second page,
Already updated.
yes, already updated. Not updated. Yes.
No, not updated.
No. This one I'm not change. I'm changing. And this one, select. Then I go for update. Only all pages updating.
All ledgers are updated.
Because it's all a one page, right? Why this happened? This whole paragraph is taking. Okay, I will take like this. I will take right and update. Okay, I will type here. I will change again. Wait, I'm writing here introduction. Okay, introduction. Okay, Jolie. I
Yes.
take heading 1. Okay, Jolie. And I take heading 1, this one. I'll repeat again. I change here heading 1, introduction. I change here and I put this one and I put black. Is okay, Jolie? Black introduction. I put and I make bold. Can bold and I put Roman new. Okay, Jolie? Everything.
Okay.
So where I do here. Correct?
Yes.
Heading 1. You remember heading 1. Okay. I go here in second page. I will write here methodology.
methodology.
Okay, methodology. Okay, I'm not doing anything. I select that one. Okay, I select that one. I select methodology. I go here, this one. What happened, Jolie?
Yes.
What your
Yes.
observation?
Letter is updated.
Yes.
Numbering.
Numbering is updated automatically. No need to do anything. Okay, like this. Okay, Jolie?
Yes.
Go first.
Sir, first go first select and go to
Heading 1. Introduction, methodology. And here 2, methodology. Okay, and now third sentence, I want to use reference. Reference, and here I escape equal RAND rand and sorry,
rand.
rand 4 5 5 enter. Okay, see here everything is same. Okay, just I
Yes.
select that one. Select that one. Okay, is everything same? So beta, just I select that one. Update. I will update put normal and update the normal section. Okay, normal section. So if you put like this, everywhere is same. Everywhere is same. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now references. I put here. I put like this. References also. Okay. 3 showing here automatically. No need color. No need underline the color. Clear?
Yes.
Now chapter
Sir,
1,
can
right?
you take Sir, can you take a break because it's already have prayer time?
Oh, so what time you are coming back again? Just 5-10 minutes. We'll finish the class.
Okay. Sir.
And 5 minutes only. 5-10 minutes. Can?
Okay. Okay.
See here, if we're typing here introduction, chapter 1, right? Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is what?
Introduction.
Introduction. Okay. Chapter 1 is what? Introduction. So this is bigger writing style. Okay, writing style is not a title. Title is yeah, I want to be writing style, something like that. Style 1, something like that. Okay, I click like this. I'm now style 1. In this one, I go through Arial, no, Times Romans only, but I'm changing to 14. And 14 and chapter 1. So I go for introduction like this and make it bold. Okay, bold. Okay, Jolie.
Yes.
Okay, then
باي الحمد لله على السلامة.
bold,
Yes.
then style the update.
باي
Yes.
تمام.
Update.
14
Okay.
again, 26. Okay, middle part. Okay, then style 1.
خلاص
Update.
أنا ماشي اليوم
Okay.
Okay.
Now you go for page 2.
باي تمام
Page 2,
تمام
copy this one. It's called as methodology. Okay.
إيه شو
Yes, you have to go here
إيه مع بعض.
to type your methodology.
قلت له
Methodology.
مع
And
السلامة.
you go for methodology. Methodology is in second page. Okay, second page in methodology. Okay, then you go here. methodology, what to do, go for style, and update. Sorry, it is not update, just you have to select. Methodology came.
Yes.
Okay, just you have to write down a chapter 2. Methodology. And you have to select that one and make it 28. Okay.
Yes.
Methodology. You go for style. You select the style, modify. After the modification, you see here chapter 1, chapter 2 is here ready. Third chapter is what? Third chapter is what? Jolie? Third chapter.
First chapter is introduction, second chapter is methodology, third chapter is reference.
Reference, okay. REF, reference. Click reference and click only style. References can come. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. Okay. Reference. Okay. Like this. Okay. Why, sir, we have to do like this? Because we have this one, right? You're writing everything, right? After you're writing, if you want to change any font form like this, okay, it is 26. I want to change to 22. Okay. Then no need to do anything. Just you have to be update the list. After you update that one, so automatically the styling you selected, this one also change to not change, 16, right? 16. See here?
Yes.
16. Okay. Automatically this one also change. If you're changing something, you can update. Update the style. Okay. 22, 22. 21, 21. Everything should be updated. And you have to be do numbering. So like this, you do the formatting. Okay. So like this, you have to do your things. Okay. So now is a play time. Okay. So you have any doubts until now?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So I will meet you on next week. So we have code for detail for again MS Word. I will send you these notes. Maybe you not get these notes. I will send to you by these notes. Okay. So MS Word.
Sir,
Yeah.
tomorrow will you have a present in campus?
Yeah, I'm going. You can come if you want to
Or
come.
no more meeting?
Meeting, afternoon meeting.
Which time?
Oh, at same 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Yeah.
Every Wednesday you have a meeting.
Yes, every Wednesday. Okay. So next class we have discussed about more about MS Word. Okay. So we'll discuss on that and how you have to use the things we have to be discussed. Okay. And I will send you
Okay, sir.
some formatting also for MS Word. Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum.